Hey, welcome back to another episode of the Very Veggie Challenge Potato Edition. This is episode 2 of the potato. If you didn't see the first one, you should go see it. We're living on this lot. We're living in an old 1950s, the original Burger Boy restaurant, and these are our apartments back here. Now, I'm in build mode right now because I want to show you that I've done a bit of decorating, yeah, based on the things we've got from the dumpster, and I think you're gonna be pleasantly surprised. Yes, I know I didn't film this building, but I'm gonna show you what we did. All right, I'm gonna show you. Check this out. Oh, it's pretty good now, but wait, there's more. Yeah, poster, couple cabinets, and we also got a bunch of burnt stuff which we can't use, so it's what it is. But that's what we got so far. Now you might be saying, DrGluon, why did you not put it in the pink lot? That's where the people are staying. Well, it turns out I cannot build in this one, right? So I'm not going to. I'm only going to build in the ones that people aren't staying in. And when these people move out, because they're only there for 7 days, when they move out, then I'll move someone into the yellow one. We'll kind of cycle through, and eventually we'll have free apartments full of items and stuff. Think of it like we're working on a road, right? And when we're working on this road, people can still drive on the other lane. We just have this road closed. So we'll have this one closed as we are finishing it, so people can live in this one until we get some more furniture in there, and then we can switch people to that one and then work on the big one, right? That's how we're going to avoid any problems with the crashing and the erasure of the save. I think that's the deal. Anyway, so let's go back into the game here. Just want to give you a little tour on that amazing build. Couple counters in the poster. It's pretty sweet. By the way, if you're enjoying this series, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, all that kind of fun stuff. Let me know if you're doing this challenge as well, and what generation are you on? I've been seeing a lot of people say they're on the, the tomato generation, and others as well. I don't know what's next. I don't want to know what's next. I want to do this gen by gen. Maybe as we get a little closer, I start having cheeky looks to see where we're going, but yeah, I don't know what's coming up next. So, okay, let's get back into this. Let's go to the bathroom. We've got some good sleep. I'm a little hungry. Let's get something to eat. How's my tenants doing? 1 star. We're getting 32 per day. How do I only have 32 then? What happened to all my money? Where did my money go? I have 32 Somalians. We've been at least 2 days, right? Okay. Die for deals. What am I spending my money on? Gosh, all these dyes. The dyes we're actually going to keep because we are eventually going to buy a fabricator. They don't pay until the lease is up, though. Oh, okay. So we should get a nice bit of cash then at the end of the week. I think what I'm gonna do is also, I don't know, we could change this later, but for now, I think we're gonna keep it on a 3-day rotation of the tenants, so that way I can work on furnishing these places, right? And we'll always keep at least one empty. Right now I'm keeping both empty, but we're gonna keep, when we get furnished, I'll keep one empty until they're all clean. Oh gosh, until they're all clean, furnished and good. We're just gonna, be real fast, right? It's gonna be real fast. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's go over here now. Let's see what's in this one. Let's get some deals out of here. We should probably get a dumpster for our own lot as well. Keep track of the days. It'll come up though, right? It'll ask us about like the lease being up. Yeah, let's go to the deals. View agreement. Let's see. Okay. Remaining days 7. I guess I could cut them out early. But I don't know. I kind of like them, you know? Do we get a bed? Oh, we got a bed. Oh, let's go. We did. It's a dirty bed, but it's a bed. All right. Sweet. We got that lucky rabbit's tail or rabbit's feather or something. So maybe that helped out. Okay, let's go back home. In fact, actually, let's just go right to build. Let's save this and go right back to the build. My days never counted down and I never got paid. Oh my gosh. Maybe that's gonna happen to us too. Do these count down? Remaining days 7. Oh, so that's a problem, right? Because they started at 7. Can I just evict them or what? Unjust evict. Mine never counted down either. So that's kind of a bug then, is it? Huh. I'm assuming if I unjustly evict them, I won't get paid either. Yeah, they never counted down. Did they love it this much? You had the same issue. How did you solve that issue? You may just have to pay yourself. Okay. Yeah, but we can't furnish it if they're there. You get a fine if you unjustly evict. Okay, well, let's do this. Let's get this bed into this apartment. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, but we got to get him out though. Maybe what I do is we just go, we kick him out. We pay ourselves for the eviction, for the fine, and we pay ourselves for what they would rightfully owe us. Yeah. Don't forget, this pack costs $40 and the main feature's broken. Use code DrGluon. That's right, Lily. That's right. Yeah, just cheat to get the money back. True. Well, I've been at least 2 days. We've slept a few times. No one's gonna pay full price. All we got was a bed. But that's quite a nice bed. So that's good. Let's see. Yeah, that'll work in there. Is this burnt up here? Is that good? Oh, that's burnt up. Dang it. Well. All that stuff is junk then. It's on sale. There we go. Sweet. You too can have this much fun. It's not cheating if it's in the game. It's not cheating if the game is broken. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go back. There's gonna be a lot of loading in this one, I think. We need ghosts for the Game of Thrones. Okay, so Poppy has an idea. We need ghosts for Game of Thrones. Also, they're not evicting themselves. We could solve both these issues with one stone. What do you think of that? Yeah. Evict them to the other side. Evict them to the other side. Yeah. Throw drinks. But I don't. But can I just throw drinks to the husband and spare the wife? They get a week. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna take care of them. I'm not gonna take care of them that way. No. We're not gonna do that. If anything, I'll just evict them. But let's wait a week. Maybe if I wait a week, it'll be fine. Like maybe it's not counting down, but it is counting down. You know. Maybe, yeah, like in a week, maybe it'll be like you can evict them. We just don't know. Like the number isn't counting down. Yes, true, but like maybe in a way it is. What day did we start on? It's been at least a couple days, right? So we'll just come back and check Sunday of next week. This coming Sunday. It should be fine. Yeah, it could be visual, exactly. It just doesn't count down. Like we don't need to freak out about it right now. We could be okay. Okay, what are we doing? We're still looking for stuff? Wait. Why is the landlord telling me about the bills? Wait, why is the landlord giving me bills? What the heck? And why is it $1,000? Wait, why is it also $1,000? Is that gonna be an issue? He's the landlord of the landlord. Oh, he's the landlord of everything. My gosh. We started on Saturday. I think that makes sense. Yeah. Hey, we got a table. Okay. Maybe I'll keep that for myself. He's a super landlord. It's a landlord pyramid scheme. Can I say that on stream? Can I say that out loud? Oh, it's good. Wake up, man. Dive. The good thing is he's getting a lot of sleep, so you know what I mean? Right, also get some food while you're in there because he's hungry. If you need to get the dumpster filled up, just take a nap in it. Hang on, this guy's calling me. This is the our tenant. Once again, I ask for your support for juiced community. Really, dude? I don't want you hanging around my place all dazed. I don't vote. I stay out of it, you know? Okay. Hey, thanks for that follow. Oh, an avocado, thanks. Eat the avocado. He's like, you what? I'm not gonna vote. Oh, we got another sink. A DIY sink. That's good. Anything else I can eat? Oh, I got a bunch of spoiled food. Which is edible, right? Eat this. I mean, it's spoiled, but we can still eat it, right? Hang on, my mom somehow knows. That's it. I need to call him, Abu. He's eating spoiled food outside a dumpster, isn't he? Mom has mom vision. She just knows. Mom's in chat watching right now. Okay, pick up the phone. Are you eating food on the dumpster? It was only spoiled a few days, Mom. Jeez. What the heck? What is wrong with you? Don't worry about it, Mom. Fine. We're fine. Hang up. Okay, back at them. Mom just don't understand. They don't. They really don't. I think he needs the family selling table to sell some of this junk. Oh, yeah, that might be a good idea. Well, I mean, what are we spending our money on anyway? Besides bills. What do we need bills for anyway? Is it really $1,000 for these bills? There's like no way, right? There's no way. Let's see. Bill information. Yeah, it's $1,000. The heck? For this junk? For this piece of junk, please? Oh, hang on. Mom, stop calling me. Thank you. Thank you for suggesting we hang out with Peter Sparks. Oh, you're welcome. Yeesh. Notice how Dad never calls. Dad never calls. All right, let's go check out this one here. Well, getting another sink is good. If we get a toilet, this would be good as well. Oh, I have another sink. I got a counter sink. There's going to be a lot of this. I'm going to be honest with you. This is kind of a... Ooh, a TV! Ooh! Stuff in the apartment will make the apartment more, like, Valuable, yeah. You have a crush on Joy? Yeah, go for it. Dang, don't let me get in the way. These people love it here. These people love it in this apartment. They will never leave. Literally. Yeah. Some of the greatest tenants you're ever gonna see. More stuff equals more money. Ah, but does that mean no problems too? So we have to think about that, you know? Yeah, they swim. It does? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a little dangerous. Okay, should we see what we got? Hang on. I'm gonna be cheeky. I'm gonna be cheeky, chat. I'm gonna be cheeky. I'm gonna go to build right now. I'm gonna go to build. Okay. Oh, I can build here. From build. As long as we can't build in this apartment. But I can build in here. Okay, let's put a sink down. And a table, though. Should I keep the table for myself? What do we want it for? TV. And then everything else is just junk. Burnt junk. I really wish we could... I mean, I know we could get the vacuum through the debug. But I wish there was a way to get the vacuum that's legit. And not through the job. You know? Or if there's some other way to restore this. We could grind these things up in the grinder and make our own furniture, I suppose. Spellcaster Pero. Yeah, but he's not a spellcaster, is he? Yeah, he's not a spellcaster. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, they have a bed now. And, yeah, I guess we just keep on, and then, eventually, it'll be Saturday. It's so Monday right now. Wait, what's this? Oh, hang on. Tenant revolt? Promise better conditions to your tenant. Call your property owner and ask for better conditions. Huh? What should we do? Should I promise it? I mean, if they revolt, will they leave on their own? They're rioting. Why does this always happen to me? In whatever I play. Okay, go visit them then. Visit the lot. Oh, wait, they're here. Wait, what is this guy? Give us a bed. Give us furniture. We're sick of sleeping on the floor. Dirt wizard. Amazing. It's a speedo revolt. It is. Give us clothing. I don't think even she cares. She's just going along with it. This guy's that's into him. Viva la resolution! Let my people go! She's here for the vibes? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess we will promise good conditions. And then I'm going to confront him about a secret, okay? What does he expect me to do? What is he expecting? Viva la resolution much when? Oh, that's a good idea. We should write that down. I'm not even home, buddy. He's like, no, he's listening. Maybe a bed? But the game won't let me put a bed in there because of people living there. The game is flawed. All right, let me deal with this. Don't worry. Should there be a bed in there? An end table. End tables as far as the eye can see. And maybe a lamp. Oh, yes. And maybe, oh gosh, I don't know, a USB plug. But when you put your phone plug in there, it immediately falls out because it's really loose. And it doesn't charge. No charging whatsoever. Just like they have at the airports. Oh, yes. Really? You do all that? Oh, yeah. I do it all. I want an angry Gloomy screaming, oh, yeah? That'd be funny. Four score and 7 years ago, there was a place like this.
Hey, yes.
Okay, you've ignored the dissatisfaction of your tenants from the tenant revolt. As a result, the unit rating went down. Whoa! Okay, hang on. Go back to this guy. We have a secret, don't we? We know something about him. Wait, hang on. Blame tenants. Maybe we could forcibly get them to leave. Blame them. Also, why is he running like that? Why is he walking like that? Why is he walking like that? No, he went inside his house. Should we go visit? Break in, maybe? Go visit. We're not gonna do anything like that. I mean, what are we, like Gordy? Yeah, pie him. Wow. I just needed him to move out, that's all. I just needed to leave. Dirt wizard. I don't think there's any occults in this whole challenge. Because I know Simsie doesn't like occults, so I don't think we're going to see any occults showing up. Alright, let's see. Should we ease up again? Hello. Yeah. We'll get something going on. We do have clothes, right? I mean, he's never wearing them, but we do have clothes. Maybe I should put a t-shirt on him. Or do you like his way he looks? Ah, we got a secret about Tina. I don't want to think about her. We like her. Okay, let's go. Just go visit him. Knock on the door. Yeah, let me know. You think shirt on or off? It's because he keeps going in the swimming outfit. Because he keeps going in the pool. So he's basically swimming outfit only. Yellow. Anyone? Where'd he go? Wait, is he not? Is he out here still? Oh, there he is. Okay. All right, look. Confront about secret. Office more funny. So anyway, I overheard something about you. What was that? Seems like you got ripped pants. Now the secret is known. Mash, you can choose to inform that he will hold on to the secret forever, or blackmail him to keep the secret from his cold hard simoleons. Yeah, we're gonna blackmail him. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Declare love public. I'm gonna declare enemy. Hang on. Blackmail. Here we go. You want to get overalls without a shirt on? Is that a thing? That's right, buddy. Pay up. Okay, that was a sweet $100. Great. Now, also, what else can I do? Rental. Blame tenants. Yeah. Yeah. Throw drink. Throw. Oh, there's another revolt. What the heck? What the heck? Insult house? What the heck is going on here? Let's see. Unjust, blame tenant, ask about the rental conditions. Let me do this one. Immediately, yeah.
Ogalamp Bipitan? Oh.
Can I just like ask for more money? Let's see here. Can I change this? Okay, I can't go 100, but I can go 64. Okay, warning. Changing has consequences. Changing your rent per day from 32 to 64 may affect the unit's rating negatively. Unknowingly warning. Yeah. No, that's fine. Oh, well, they got to go down lower than 1 star? I think it's fine. Yeah. Okay, good. I can't change this at all, so. He's back at it. Wearing Speedos has consequences. He hates us. He really does. I got no bed. I hate this place. Well, move out then. Move out. You don't like it? Move out. I can finish it and then put someone else in there who might like it. Okay, we're gonna say promise. There's anything I can do, right? Call your property owner and ask for better condition. Property owner? No one owns this place. What are you talking about? Hey Evie, how you doing today? All right, just promise him better conditions. Eesh. This is fun. Why have I not been doing landlords more often? Oh wait, because it breaks the game. Right, yeah. But this is fun though. Whoa, what is this? Did he send me a message? That this place is full of... How dare him.
Sanzibi? Oh. Verdoy Narble. Havershay. Siguna Teebs.
Well, there's that one. I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to throw a drink, but not the one that's the bad one, okay? Poop everywhere. Boom! Here's your promised boom! Oh my gosh. That's right. Hello, welcome. Oh my gosh. Apparently I'm mean now, so we despise each other. Okay, well. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's telling me kind of mixed signals here. $20 on Speedo guy? Which one? Oh, that guy. Yeah. What the heck? Magical powers could help. Enemies to lovers? Is it toxic? Yeah, toxic. Alright, I got him. Yeah, that's true. What's going on? Alright, look. I have no idea what's happening. So wait, now listen up here. Days remaining 6. Okay. The day length has actually gone down. So that's what we gotta do. We just gotta make them so angry that they want to leave. Alright, I'm going home. We figured it out. We figured it out. Did the final guy give them romance? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. We gotta sleep though. We gotta get to bed. By bed I mean the floor. Okay, sleep right here. Alright, it's because the nap free love. Okay, yeah. We can turn that off. Oh, leave it on. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, it's getting dusty in here, which is good, right? Because we got to befriend a dust bunny. Is that something that we will just come up? Like, will we know we befriended it? Sleeping bag. I do have 146 because of the blackmail we just did. Yes, level 4. This is good. The more we do this, the better. Don't fall in love with that speedo, bro. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna wait till morning. Okay, we slept it up. Hey, we got a good night's sleep. You know, considering we're on the floor. So hungry. Oh yeah. They're gonna turn our power off, by the way. I hate to break it to you, but I'm not paying $1,000. I'm not doing it. I can't do it. You know, wanted to. I guess I could try to sell this. No, this definitely won't sell. I mean, what's our opinion here? I shouldn't cheat this sell. Like, that's not 175. That's cheating, right? Maybe if it's good, I can sell it. Like, this is okay. This sink is okay. We want to keep the lights on, don't we? Though we should keep the lights on. Just because otherwise this is going to be annoying to play with the lights off. So maybe I'll just like magic the bills away. You know what I mean? Magic it. Too bad I can't do like you can do with business and hobbies and have that like fake one. Maybe I should do that actually. I don't know if I can. You know, have like a small business. And then you can like magic the bills away. We saw nothing. Yeah, I just might magic them away. Destroy objects. If I destroy this mailbox, then. So do a Gordy with the not paying the bills. With $1,000 because this lot is kind of elaborate. And we're not going to be able to pay it right now, at least. 100% we're not going to be able to pay it. So if I just like, you know, why are we cheating the bills? Because we can't afford it. It's $1,000. That's ridiculous, right? Wait, what they say? Don't cheat the bills. Become magic. Squeezle, we're not gonna be magic, okay? We can't become magic. What did T say? You could put them down and repair them. Oh, just like repair them normally and then sell them? Oh, okay. Well, hang on. Yeah, fake bill payments. What do y'all think here? Someone play the cheated clip. I think you should be allowed a certain money cheat magic lamp. I honestly think we should, because otherwise the lights are going to turn off and then it's just going to be dark and not be fun to watch. And until I can actually afford the money, you know, afford the bills, we'll just hide them away. You know, zibba, 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 zibba. Yeah. I mean, also the fact that, like, why would we pay for this place? You know, it breaks the storyline by paying bills. Like, it ruins the story. We just stumbled across here. You know, it ruined the story. What bills exactly? I think we cheat since we needed. We made it look good. Yeah, exactly. It's because it's got a bunch of. It's because all the stuff is here. All this trash costs money. You think it's bad? Probably the tax for the naps. Sell the burnt furniture. Oh, yeah, I guess we can do that. We probably have $1,000 worth of stuff here. Okay, fine. I'll sell the burnt furniture just so I get enough to pay the bills. I guess that's less cheaty, even though I do think that's also cheating. But anyway, I'll just do this. Because honestly, it's going to be so, like, it's going to be so unpleasant to watch. I mean, there's not even that much light anyway, but with the less light, this place is going to be black most of the time and be unpleasant to watch. So, you know, I'm going to do this for you. But you know what? If I get the friendship with the bunny, we will be making a lot of money through bunnies anyway. So, hey, I didn't cheat. I just sold the furniture we got. Unless you call that cheating. Oh, look who it is. It's this guy. Faux Dragon. Read Amanda, what they say. Amanda said something. What did Amanda say here? To buy the recycler and place it on your lot, you can something it. You can recycle. Yeah, it's a debug object though, right? Is that also cheating? Killboy, thank you for that raid. Appreciate you. Let's dive for deals. Is it also that a debug object? So hence that'll be cheating too. No, you could purchase. Oh, the recycler. Oh, where you could like grind them down. Is that what you mean? The grinder? Let's get some more junk. Yeah, oh, okay, yeah, it gives you bits and pieces, right. How much does that cost, though? We've only got $9. Oh, the geek cards are down. Can we sell the bits and bops? Can we sell those? Okay, let me go over here. Oh, you get simoleons back. Well, let's see how much this costs. This is true. You're right about this. You can fabricate with the bits. Yeah, I know that part, but I forgot about the money. I forgot that you get money back. So let's have a look. I knew you got bits and pieces, but I didn't know you got the money back. Okay, so this costs $845. Oh, okay. Well, we'll just sell the rest of the stuff then. And we'll buy them. I mean, it's not like we're going to get that from the dumpster, right? So much junk here. Okay, we're going to keep that one. We're going to buy that then. We're going to buy this. Just search for recycler. You can search for it. Oh, in here. Yeah. We just paid our bills. Bills have been paid. We have that much junk in our inventory. Okay. Where's this gonna go? Oh, I guess we could go to a community lot, but then we have to leave every time. Let's put this right here. Right, so now recycle from inventory. Let's take this and grind that up. You don't get money from recycling in a community lot. Oh, okay. Let's see how much I get for that one piece. We got a sweet block. No. Oh, we get the whole month. Okay. This is okay then. Okay. So I'm okay now. Now that we've figured this out. It means all that stuff isn't going to be completely wasted in our inventory. All right, cool. And we did it without cheating. If you... I mean, we sold it, but like, that's fine too. We'll just do it this way from now on. Yeah. I mean, we sold it, which I don't think that was cheating. Because it is like technically part of the game. Now, do I think it's cheating that you sold burnt items and people bought them? Kind of maybe, but still.
The
I didn't want to play in the dark. The recycler was already there, I swear. At least we have a means to pay our bills next week too. Which we're definitely going to have to... Because if it's $1,000 now, that means it's only going to go up in price. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah, silver pods, exactly. Good idea. All right. Wait, hang on. Can I just throw these in here? Throw the old food in here. Can you do that? Can you just drag that in there? And drag that one in there too. And then dive for more deals. Yeah, which we did. I should really get going now. Okay. See ya. Oh, we got a chair. That's good because that one apartment has a table. Okay, use the bathroom. Can he wash himself in the pool? No, that doesn't work that way. But also, we don't need to wash. We're not really the people that kind of wash ourselves. We're kind of the people that like to be kind of grungy, you know. We like to embrace them. Let's see. Oh, let's eat this grape. And feed the bunny. Oh, hang on. Flirt with the tenants. Nasty.
Oh, Lempima.
That guy's a gosh. That guy stinks. So anyway, yoo-hoo. Oh, dang it. Wait, hang on. Welcome. Who are you? The nap inspector. Okay. Are we in trouble? Are we in violation? What other naps? Free love? Have you been free loving recently? Well, actually, I have been, but then my tenant keeps saying, get away from me. Wait, why is this guy loving on me, but she won't love on me? Oh, I gotta feed the raccoon. I forgot about them. I forgot about the raccoon. Can you believe them? Ask to overlook issues, $50. She is smart. Thanks for that follow. Appreciate that. As you can see, this is a perfect place. He's a walking red flag. True. Hey, I got money for the raccoon now. And the litter box. Put in inventory. Perfect. Here we go, little bitey. Oh wait, that was the whole thing. I thought it meant just the food or the prizes. Oh, I can't cling it over a trash can. Okay, let's get a I need a trash can. Here we go. Now we're buying stuff. Luckily we got that money. Okay, what kind of a trash can do we want? Just like this one here. Yeah, but Bitey needs something, right? Bitey needs to... It's not for me, it's just for Bitey. Oh, she's gonna clean up all the dust, dang it. I mean, what I could do is just cancel this here. There we are. Now. Can I make friends with the bunny yet? No.
Grow.
Failed challenge. I did clean it up. I just cleaned Bitey's part. You know? I can't help if she's cleaning. I can't help that. She does what she wants. Hang on. Compliment appearance. Ha-ha! All right. I love the way you threw that garbage on the floor. I don't care about your family. Looks like Mashu has been getting along with certain family-motivated Sims. Family-motivated Sims tend to put family first and often enjoy spending time with children. Some Sims don't understand it. I don't get the whole family vibe, you know? I'm a free spirit. Sure, I had a sister and mom and dad, but I'm a lone wolf now, you know? Oh. He's free spirit. Oh, hello. Oh, wait, it's Chip. Let's invite Chip in. Look at Chip. Chip's looking great. My sister. She's like, oh my gosh, what the heck? Bro, what happened? She's like, you got a raccoon? She's worried about, yeah, she's checking in on me. You know what? Let's give my sister a key. My sister can come over whenever she wants. Yeah, I really don't want to come over. Well, you can, you know? Whoa, what the heck? She cleaned up. She's cleaning up after us. How's the mold doing? Any mold around here? No, okay, we're okay on mold. All right, Bitey's still got some food, which is good. I like panic. Whoa. Okay, let's see. We're still waiting for like an emergency to happen via, I guess a maintenance issue. Which again, maybe they won't have a maintenance issue because they don't have anything. Also, perform a inspection pass. Visit a rental unit that your sim owns. Select various breakable objects. Oh, okay. So they need to have things that can break. Fair enough. We don't have any of those. Okay, well, my goal right now is to get that yellow apartment set up. So, put enough things in there that they can, you know, break and stuff. Damn, look at Mashu go. You know what I mean? What do you think? What do you think, Lily? He's working out. Guy's fit. Is there a utility clock? Oh, no, there isn't. Do we need one of those? I forgot about that kind of thing. No? We're still a little hungry. He grows. Yeah, probably. Oh, this was real form. Let's get something to eat. And then we'll dive for deals over here. Yeah, I have to go back and forth. Can you have maintenance troubles if they don't have any water heater in the apartment? Yeah, I don't know. That is actually a good question. I kind of built it not like an apartment. Wait, what's this purple thing? Ooh. Can I eat that? Is that an edible thing? Oh, it is. Yeah, eat this. Grab bowl. Throw away. Eat. Set topping. Grab a bowl. Dang, we found it in the garbage, everybody. It's supposed to be that color, I think. Yeah. Dang. The thing people throw away. I found some kind of seed as well. And then what are these? Muckberries? Eat those muckberries. Eat them. Yeah, we're gonna be eating good tonight. And look at this. Hunger full. My sister's leaving. My tenant is leaving. Let's get these deals out of here. Can we plant? Is potato actually a thing you can plant? I was gonna say, is Vlad walking by? Look out, kid! There's Vlad walking by. Yeah, you know what? I'm tired. Let's take a little nap. Yeah, let's moonbathe. Just keep walking. Weird guy on the floor. Come. Oh yeah, okay. Maybe we should grow some potatoes then. That might be nice. Seduce Vladdy. There goes my sister. Oh my gosh, is he sleeping on the floor? Planet 6M has them as well. Oh yeah. Space potatoes. Ooh, from Dad. Yeah. We can go back home and go to space. Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. 35 bucks. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. Oh. What just happened? Oh my gosh. The return of the were-cow is back. The were-cow has returned. Oh. Hey, thank you. Lily, I love it. I love that your outfit werewolves wear it. Oh god, that was scary. Yeah, it is. It is very scary. Be careful because they're out there. I'm not gonna get you. Okay, let's go to build. No, he's freaking out. He's freaking out. Okay, what we got? We got a seat right there. We have another. We have 2 sinks, so that's pretty sweet. And what's this? Oh my gosh! A bowl of salad. My gosh, that's nice. This place is actually quite nice. They don't make places like this anymore. You know, for health reasons, they don't. It's a moldy deviled egg. Okay, well, this is gonna go. This is gonna go there, all right? And once we get rid of the pink, we're gonna move someone in here, and they're gonna have. Well, they got quite a nice place, I think. Yeah, double sink. I know. How do we do it? How do we do it? Let me just check on the rental agreement for the apartment there. See if it is. Okay, so here's the funny thing. I actually think it does tick down, but you have to be in that rental unit for it to tick down. Because it ticked down because we were in their apartment for quite a while. We were really just outside, but we were technically in their lot. So I think that is the issue here. That's happening. But I don't know. When it gets to Saturday, we're going to have to just evict them or something. The pack is broken. I mean, yes, you're not wrong. It is. It's Shelly, thank you so much for that. Toxic mold. Also another ghost. So we have to clean up the mold. Someone married the were-cow. Oh, good for them. Wait. No, they didn't, because that were-cow was a teen. Maybe that was a different one. Yeah, he's a little stinky, but we do have to clean up this mold. Otherwise, well, you know, it'll be bad for us. Get rid of that. And get rid of this one too. Okay. And fill that. We're good there. Feed you. And feed you. Uh-oh, the burglar's back. No! No burglar! Hey, I'd like a hamburger, please. I like a hamburger. If you go some fries, a milkshake. What? Well, we're not gonna stand for this. We're gonna fight the burglar. She's trying to order a hamburger. She's trying to get some hamburger. Yeah. You get out of here, burglar. How dare you? Yeah, she's the hamburglar. Hear me out. Throwing it out there. Baby with the burglar. Baby with the burglar. Gonna throw that out there. You tell me what you think. I don't know. She kind of hates us now, so that's probably a bad idea. Confront burglar. She didn't do it. Oh, she just took off her mask and ran away. Oh, hi, Lisa. Sure. Oh, I know. Use the bathroom. Use the bathroom. Pee like a champion. Enemies to lovers. Can you have a baby with a burglar? I don't know. I'm assuming so. It's not Robin Banks. Robin Banks is long gone. Robin Banks is long gone. There we go. Very good, very good. All right, keep going. Keep a dumpster a diving in. From dust, she will return. She will, because it's a lot challenge. You know, I think we're doing quite well. I think we're doing amazing. We've got, you know, we've got some tenants. We've got a apartment that, well, you can't see anything now, but it does have a bed and a TV and a couple of things. We got Red subscribing for 23 months. And I think we're ready to put someone in the yellow apartment. What do you think? We'll keep green empty. We'll put someone in the yellow apartment. And then we're going to work on getting rid of the pink people so that way I can start putting stuff in there. Yeah? Let's do it. Yeah, the rent is much higher. So we're gonna say 75 a day. And we're gonna do what? Let's just do 2 days. Because we know it's not gonna count down anyway, and we could probably spend 2 days in the apartment just to kick it out, you know? Yeah. In fact, yeah, we'll do 2 days. We'll do 2 days. Maintenance poor, environment lacking. Whatever. Amenities basic. They got 2 sinks. Right, so who do we have here? An elder? The Song family, young adults. Tillman, 68. Or Paulson, 90. They're an adult though. What do you think? Put the adult in there. They're paying the most. Elder for ghost opportunity. Oh, right. Yeah. Well, we know they're not gonna be there. We're gonna be there longer than 2 days. So I don't think we're gonna make any money off this because the game is bugged, but we can work around the bug, okay? Unit rating is 2 stars. We're gonna put Tillman because they give me the most money, and they're elder, right? Yeah. Let's do it. Right? Wait, what does this mean? Oh, can they not do that? Oh, the cap. Oh, the rent cap. It's much too high. Okay, I'll put it 68. Oops. There we go. It's exactly for you. There we go. Okay. Yeah. The game's like, no, but you wanted more money. I'm like, yeah, but I want an elder now. I decided. Okay. So they're in. And we're going to have to meet them next time. See what they're like. And it's going to be great. Our job now is to vacate this lot. Get them out of there. Somehow. By forcibly means, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to call this one. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button. It really helps out. If you're new here, subscribe. Yada, yada, yada. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.